People always ask me, do this bot get the signals always correct? Let's find out. I will now run it for 3 minutes and I will run it live so you can see how it's doing. And if you want this pocket option auto trader yourself, you find link below the video and you can get started today completely for free. Okay? Also, make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So, let's go.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots, if they wanna just fuck, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. We're ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend, is get. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay.
And there you have it. 2 trades in this 3 minutes, 2 winners. I will not take in these trades myself, so this only shows how good this pocket option robot is. So if you want this also, link below the video, and make sure you subscribe and turn the bell notification so you never lose a video just like this.